Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create this Tom and Jerry trend video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you've been scrolling through TikTok and you've seen these videos of Tom being assaulted by a TikTok user while he finds Jerry, then you must be wondering, how did that person create this video? So let me show you how to do this on your phone. So before we begin, for this video tutorial, you will need two phones. One phone for recording your action of hitting Tom, and the other phone for playing the sound so you hit Tom at the right point with the sound effects. You can borrow your parents' or your partner's phone. So first, on the borrowed phone, open up TikTok, search for Tom and Jerry Capcut, and make sure you play the video where Tom is basically being hit by someone else. Now make sure the volume is high so you can hear the sound effects of the swings. Now on your second phone, mount it on a tripod or a table and record yourself swinging a roll of paper while matching the sound played from the first phone. So try to swing a little low, as this is where Tom is, and you'll need to do multiple takes as you want to get the swinging matching to the sound effect. Now this is an example which I've done where I'm swinging in air while matching the sound. Now once you've recorded that, you want to make sure you edit this video and clip out the beginning of the part where you basically start to get ready to hit Tom. Make sure the clip is no more than 16 seconds and no less than 15 seconds. Now once you have that clip ready, you need to go to your Play Store, search for Capcut, and go ahead and download this app. This app is available on your App Store as well and your Google Play Store. So iPhone and Android users both can do it. Once you've downloaded this app, you want to now go back to your TikTok app. Here you want to go ahead and search for Tom and Jerry Capcut. Now go ahead and tap on the videos that are doing the trend. For example, this one here. If you scroll past, you'll see another one here. On this video, we're looking for try this template, which will appear just above the username. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will now show you the template which you're going to use. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will show you the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template again. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select the video. So this is the recorded video which I've done. Tap on Preview. This will now add that video in the background, basically showing you hitting Tom while the video is playing. Now in this video, you do have some text appearing at the top. To remove that, tap on Text, then tap on that text at the bottom, then tap on Delete, and that text will be removed. Now play your video and make sure you're happy with it. As I said before, you will need to take multiple takes and do trial and error with this, as sometimes you may not be swinging at the right point. Now once you're happy with that, tap on Export here at the top right. Then tap on Export without watermark. This will now automatically export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now once that's done, go ahead and tap on Add Sound. Search for Tom and Jerry. You want to go ahead and search for Tom and Jerry Capcut hit. You're going to tap on the video that is doing the trend. So for example, this one here. Tap on the tick. And this will now add that sound, which is Tom and Jerry Hero. Now watch your video, make sure you like it, and make sure you're happy with it. If you want to add your text, stickers, or any effects, go ahead and do that, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go, guys. That is how to create the Tom and Jerry trend video on your TikTok app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.